Hi, this is Tim.
And this is Amber. In this lesson, we are going to go through downloading and installing the free RsLogix 500 Micro Starter PLC programming software that can be used to program Allen Bradley's Micrologix 1100 PLC.
As Oracle improves their website, these instructions can change from time to time, so there's a link in the description that has the most up-to-date lessons on how to download and install these.
Start by typing ab.com into your address bar. It will redirect to Rockwell Automation. Select your language, click Downloads. In the search box, type in RsLogix MicroStarter and you will see two options appear. Select the one that ends in EN for English. Now click the search icon. You could download it, but we are going to add it to our cart. That doesn't mean we have to pay anything. We're just going to get RsLinks, which is also required, and download them at the same time. Now type RsLinks Classic Lite into the search bar and select the option that says free. Click the Downloads link, then click Select Files and choose the latest version.
Yeah, breathe again.
Your Downloads button now has a 2 by it representing the 2 files that you have selected. Click it and select Download Now. You will be asked to log in. You can create an account for free, so if you don't have an account, simply click the Create an Account. Read over their licensing agreement